Hardboard lap siding like this has been used on houses for many years because it looks like real wood, but it's a lot less expensive. But one of the drawbacks with using this kind of siding is if it gets wet and stays wet, it can deteriorate very quickly. In fact, several of the pieces of siding had to be replaced here on the driveway side of the house, as well as behind the house where the deck meets the house. That's where the rain is constantly falling back against the house, keeping it wet and causing the siding to rot. Now we replaced the siding with a different type of siding called fiber cement. Fiber cement siding is resistant to this type of decay and is available in the same dimensions and patterns as the hardboard product, so you don't have to replace all the siding on the house, just the pieces that are damaged. Now the process is fairly simple. You remove the old siding carefully without damaging the pieces above it. Now underneath this siding we also had to replace the sheathing, so we used 1/2-inch plywood and a layer of builder's felt. The fiber cement siding is nailed in place so the rows are consistent with the rest of the wall. Because cement is the largest component of the siding, it's hard on saw blades, so if you're cutting much, a masonry blade is a great idea. After installation, you caulk and paint it like any other siding, and the homeowner here decided even to change the color. And another great thing, it cost about the same as hardboard siding.